Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. The last software update for the GoPro Hero 6 promises better low-light performance. As this was one of the points where I think the camera was behind the competition, I decided to compare some shots from before and after the update. The first shot is always from before the update, and then comes the footage with the updated camera. In my opinion, there is a slight improvement in the low-light performance. Nevertheless, it is still not as good as the one from the Sony FDR-X 3000 that you can see here for comparison. This was my opinion. What is yours?